Hey, I'm here. I'm doing a contest for Monster Hot videos. The contest is, sorry, I need to make a mouse distraction. Um, the contest is, like, um, the contest is a party where your two favorite people, like one boy, one girl, in the game, even though they might not be gay friends, you do for a example. So, yeah, I'll be whichever one I like. And if I like your idea, I might be voicing and we can do another entry. You have two chances for an entry. So if you end up messing up, I'll let you redo it. You just have to comment and I will remove it.